Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, I had another one of those nights where my brain would not turn off and allow me to sleep until about 4:30 this morning. Anyways, let me get getting at it here in a little bit, but I got several things going, announcements here for you guys, most of which I'm going to do at the end, including one of the reviews of the Your Prep for today. But right now I got an announcement about a reminder announcement. This Saturday on Survival Saturday, we have Doc Bones and Nurse Amy, authors of the Survival Medicine Handbook, and they're coming on and they got a presentation for us, and then they got a question and answer session as well. So that's this Saturday. All right. If you're wondering what this Saturday is, that's going to be the 27th. All right. So I'm going to get at this and see what I get done this morning. Whew. All right, so I did 25 minutes on the Gazelle. I started out kind of slow for the first, 3 or 4 minutes, and then I kicked it back up, made up my lost calorie count, and actually hit 189 calories for 25 minutes just on the Gazelle. Probably got at least 10, 15 calories on the weight bench. So it puts me over 200 calories for today. This session. So I'm gonna need to get water here in a minute. That's the other thing. Remember to hydrate during the winter time, because whether you got a wood burning stove or a furnace, it dries the air out. Plus the freezing weather outside freezes the moisture out of the air. So every time you go in and out, you're bringing in 0 to 10% humidity air back into the house, and that dries out the house, which in turn dries out your nose, your mouth, your throat, your lungs. So, and then plus whatever you evaporate off your skin as well. So hydrate. For the Your Prep for Today review, going back to Your Prep for Today number 3, which is blankets, all sorts of blankets, whether it's fleece, rag tie, quilts, wool blankets, electric blankets, moving pads, whatever it is you can use as a blanket. Check it out. There's more information on that about things you can do with the blankets to help keep your house warm as well. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Add a new skill. Learn to do something new this winter. And don't forget, try growing an indoor garden. Just 1 or 2 plants is all you need to experiment with. If you've been doing it longer, try doing a couple more. All right, because you really need to get prepped up for this winter.